In this Windows 11 quick tip, I'll show you one command line command you can run to install your own private AI server. Ollama is an open source platform that lets you run large language models entirely on your local computer. This allows you to chat with the AI without transmitting any information to servers on the internet. If you want to have a private conversation with AI on your own Windows 11 computer, installing it is very easy. Simply run winget install ollama.ollama from an elevated command prompt on an up-to-date Windows 11 computer. The Ollama installation package is downloaded from the Ollama GitHub repository and the application is installed. The Ollama lightweight GUI interface will open. You can configure settings which allows you to specify whether or not you want other devices on your network to access Ollama remotely, such as if you did want to run a local AI server. You can also specify what directory you want to store downloaded models in, as they're a bit big, and whether or not you want to turn on airplane mode, which if you do that, all data is kept local, but it'll also disable the use of cloud models and web search. Here I'm selecting the Gemma 3 4 billion parameter model. The more the parameters, the larger the model and the higher the system requires, but generally the better the responses. When I issue a query against the model, it's downloaded from servers on the internet. Ollama then interacts with the model locally. Each model only needs to be downloaded once. As you can see, simple to install and use, and as it's an LLM, you can ask it questions about itself on how to optimize your use. Free, open source, and available on Windows 11 with one winget command. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.